My name is Sandra Lang, and I passed my NCLEX after 31 years out of nursing school with a BSN, and I failed 11 times. I've been through a lot of struggles, just a lot of things in life, but by the grace of God and persistence, I passed my NCLEX RN July 1st, 2023. No gimmicks, nothing, just the real deal, quick facts, next generation, and V2. I also have my old virtual trainer and my old quick facts 5-star. It's kind of raggedy, but I've used this one before. And then when the new one came out, I did the new one, and I also did V2. I don't have my V2 because I gave it to my cousin because she failed a bunch of times and she's trying to pass as well. But my encouragement to you is don't ever give up on what it is that you're working so hard for. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how long you've been away from nursing school. You can do it, and you can do it with ReMar because ReMar works. I passed NCLEX using ReMar. Next generation, quick facts, and V2. You can do it too. You can, you will, and you must pass NCLEX because I did it. You can do it too. Delayed, but not denied. I'm on the path right now to getting my master's degree in nursing education. I've already applied to Grand Canyon University. That's my next step. And I'm waiting on a bunch of interviews that are coming up to work in oncology. So look at me. Don't ever say you can't do it. Don't ever say it's impossible, because nothing is impossible without God. With God, every single thing is possible. So trust them. Listen to ReMar. Listen to Regina, because she knows what she's talking about. So I just want to say peace out and thank you, Regina, because I did it.